Well, the fishies are out and moving because the temperature is finally rising. Trying to get this waterfall done, and basically, like I said in the last video, you put the bricks down or whatever you want for your patio waterfall, and then you put your fabric down. Generally, you double layer it. Since this isn't going to be holding any water, didn't really need to double layer it up on the top. On the bottom, underneath all the rocks, it is double layered. And then you're supposed to work from the bottom to the top. With this one, it's kind of long, and it doesn't really matter all that much. But basically, you place your stone that you want the water to come off of, and make it to where there's at least a ledge underneath. Get your stones up next to it. You can fill basically all of these cracks and crevices with foam. Same with down there, here, and back here. Fill it with foam so that all the water gets directed up and over that. So here we got a nice little stepping stone for our dog Hazel. So if you tuck that in there, basically it's at a good height. So then this one, we wanted from the waterfall up there, we wanted the water to come this way and then circle back down, or not circle back down, but flow back down to the opposite side. So we've got this cut out here, that way it flows this way, and that way the waterfall kind of goes in a curve and then back out. So hopefully it'll work out how we're hoping. We still have some more rocks to place to kind of get it to do that, the wavy feel. But basically once you do that, then you run it, you test it, make sure that everything's good. We still have a bunch of our gravel or larger rocks. We don't want gravel because I don't want to, this liner doesn't have any gravel in the bottom of it. Oh, looky there. There is, oh. Hello, Mr. Oh, Lord. Oh, goodness. All right, well, good luck. So anyways, our liner for the actual 2,500 gallon pond is just bare liner. We don't have any rocks in the bottom because we didn't want to have to worry about cleaning that up. And we do have a bottom drain. I'll show more on that later. But ultimately, we just wanted the big rocks. That way we can take it out and clean it if needed and not have to worry about any rocks getting down into the actual pond. Plus, once you have all that surface area and the surface area inside of the waterfall, so like the bioballs, all of that provides enough beneficial bacteria area to grab onto. So, yep, that's basically it. I'll update you guys once we turn it on.